Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. And I want to know down below, what cryptocurrencies do you want to see me talk about more? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, there is an active giveaway on our channel for a Shield Folio, the world's most secure notebook for crypto passwords and other important details. If you guys live in the USA and want a chance of winning, just leave a like, be subscribed to the channel and comment down below on any of my videos until Sunday the 30th of August. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, majority of the market is in a correction phase, but it is holding above key resistance levels, which in my opinion can be very good buying opportunities. Bitcoin at 11,651, Ethereum at 391, XRP at 28 cents, Chainlink at $15.03. But today we are going to be talking about Cardano. And if we take a look at its price, it is at 12 cents. It is down 10% over the past 7 days and it is up 0.12% over the past 30 days. If I show you its chart on the 7-day, it does look like it has had the correction and it is bouncing back in my opinion. We will just have to wait and see. On the 90-day, it does still look very attractive in my opinion. And on the 12-month, that still is very attractive. Now, for cryptocurrency to be a healthy market, we have got to have these corrections. So when people get fearful is the time to buy in my opinion. Now the first article that I want to show you about Cardano, and it says Cardano new node version is 100 times faster. Daedalus v2.2 announced. IOHK has released a new version which is said to be 100 times faster than the old node in certain aspects of the software. The Daedalus wallet is also received a new version which will benefit from performance improvements. In a new video update, Charles Hoskinson talked about the release of the Daedalus wallet version 2.2 and the new version of the node software version 1.19. As Hoskinson stated, both releases will show significant performance improvements. For example, the new node release will bring significant performance improvements, with some aspects of the software being 100 times faster. If the QA team does not find any serious bugs during the latest tests, both the new Daedalus version and the new node software will be released today, Thursday. Commenting on the performance improvements, IOHK CEO said, "Some aspects of the software are 100 times faster than the old node. It just depends on what upgrade you perform. So sync speed has been improved, chain validation and revalidation have been improved, the opening and closing of database, lots of problems people were having the last 2 weeks. 3 weeks for Daedalus being very heavy in the Shelley era have been resolved." Now, in my opinion, the amount of growth that cryptocurrency has done over the past 2-3 years has been absolutely unbelievable, and I do not think it is going anywhere anytime soon, to the point where I think some of the biggest companies and banks in the world will be working with cryptocurrency, which is what is already happening in the world right now, which is very, very big. It's slow progress, but it's big progress, because in the next 2-3 years, you are going to see very, very big gains, in my opinion. And the same with Cardano, because they are in the beginning phases. They have still got a very long road ahead of them, and this is why we are very, very early in this space. We have just had the Shelley mainnet launch and staking, which was a complete success. We now have the next phase to look forward to, which is Goguen, and that is planned to come out on the 4th quarter of 2020, which I reckon will be around about November or December. If they can stick to their planned targets, then again this will be very, very big news for Cardano, because smart contracts is going to open a completely different doorway for them, in my opinion. Now, if I show you their roadmap here, we have Goguen, which is a smart contracts. We just had Shelley, which is decentralization, and then we have the next phases, which is scaling and governance, which again, there is a very long road to go, and it's a case of we are very, very early in this space, and when we realize how early we actually are, the panic will soon start to disappear. This is the next little short piece I want to read you, and it says Ethereum rival Cardano making progress. The second largest cryptocurrency by capitalization, Ethereum, was down Friday, trading around $347 after slipping 4.6% in 24 hours. Smart contract platform Cardano intends to start producing proof of stake mainnet blocks this weekend. Ethereum switch to POS from its current proof of work setup is expected sometime by the end of the year. Since the start of 2020, Cardano's token ADA has seen a market capitalization increase from 1 billion to 4.5 billion, according to CoinGecko. The platform, a competitor to Ethereum, has taken an approach towards launching and now has 770 pools staking almost 20% of ADA supply. Now again, in my opinion, this is why you should not worry about a 20% or 5% dip, because the growth it has done in less than a year from 1 billion to 4.5 billion is absolutely incredible, and we aren't even at the end of the year yet. So this is just Cardano alone. Majority of the market has grown to a big aspect, and this is big. This is what we have to realize, is how early we are and how much growth it is actually doing. So a simple 5 to 10 to even 15% correction is, in my opinion, it is nothing to worry about. It is a very, very good buying opportunity because those are the dips that people wait for. We're now going to look at a price analysis to do with Cardano, and it says Cardano closed below the 13-cent support on August 19th, which is a negative sign. The bulls tried to fake this move out and push back above 13 cents on August 20th, but the bears aggressively defended the 20-day EMA at 13 cents 0.6. This suggests that the sentiment has changed from buy on the dips to sell on the rallies. If the ADA/USD pair closed below 12.5 cents, a drop to the next support at 11 cents is possible. The 20-day EMA has started to turn down and the RSI has dipped into the negative territory, which suggests that the bears are making a comeback. This bearish view will be invalidated if the pair turns up from the current levels and rises above the 20-day EMA. Such a move will indicate strong buying at lower levels. Now, in my opinion, if you are looking to get some Cardano at a very cheap price, I would possibly suggest waiting on a little bit longer because the retracement could be a little bit more. But if you are in this for the long run, I do not think it really matters what price you get in at, because the potential it will have in the long term will be very, very big compared to the short term. Now, I want to know your thoughts down below. Where do you think Cardano is going to be headed in the next couple of years? I know I am very bullish because we have still got very big things to come with Cardano. So for me, I'm very, very bullish, but I want to know what you think of Cardano down below. Now, this is going to be the last article that I show you guys, and it's to do with China expanding digital yuan trials to Beijing. Now, on this channel, we like to talk about the digital yuan, the digital dollar, and the euro, purely because we have seen a lot of news of these over the past few months, and this is just more and more progress for it, more and more likely to head into a digitalized world. If we do head into a digitalized world, then that is more than likely cryptocurrency becoming the main thing. And it says down here, while there is not yet a set date for expanded pilot program to begin, a policy framework should be completed by the end of 2020. China's ministry announced today that it will expand trials of the National Central Bank digital currency to include Beijing as well as a few other places. According to August 14th by Wall Street Journal, there is not yet a set date where its expanded pilot program of the Chinese CBDC will begin. Still, the National's Ministry of Commerce announced that the policy framework should be completed by the end of 2020. Now, we first heard about this, coincidentally enough, back in December with the digital yuan. Now, it's a simple case of since then we've heard Great Britain talk about it, we've heard Europe talk about it, and we've also heard America talk about it with their own currencies. And it's a case of now we are heading in towards that direction. To me, this is just a small little clue. If the biggest countries in the world are looking in that direction of digitalization, then I think it's a big, big case that this over the next 2-3 years could be a very, very big deal. That's why me with cryptocurrency, I am not planning on selling anytime soon, because this is a long-term game. Big things are going to come over the next couple of years, and I want to show you exactly why big things are going to be coming. This is the Bitcoin stock to flow. If you're wondering why I show it so much in my videos, it's because I am a very big believer in the stock to flow. If we have a look here, it has an 80% accuracy, and so far it is perfectly on course. Now, over the next 5 to 10 to even 15 months, it is going to be absolutely massive how much this could change. Now, if Bitcoin breaks its all-time high at $20,000, where do you think the rest of the market could head? I am very, very confident it will head upwards, and it's the same again here. If you think if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, that means that Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano, all of the big players, I genuinely think they could be prices that we dreamed of, but we can't get ahead of ourselves just yet. We have to wait until these times actually do happen. But at the minute, it is perfectly on course, so that is what we have to realise. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything I've had for you today. If you've enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.